In 2016, a Japanese scientist received the Nobel Prize for discovering something ancient monks had already known for centuries. A secret switch hidden inside every cell of your body, capable of cleaning, repairing, and even reversing aging. They called it autophagy, from the Greek words meaning to eat oneself. But ancient yogis called it something different. Tapas, the sacred fire that burns away decay and awakens renewal. What if I told you that the key to youth, clarity, and long life has been sleeping inside you all along? And it only takes 18 hours of silence and 6 hours of nourishment to awaken it. You wake up tired, even after 8 hours of sleep. Your skin feels dull, your thoughts heavy, your body slow. You reach for coffee, sugar, or noise just to feel alive for a few moments. But beneath that fatigue lies a deeper truth. Your cells are suffocating in their own waste, clogged with damaged proteins, broken mitochondria, and forgotten memories. Modern life has taught us to feed constantly, but the body's wisdom was built in cycles of nourishment and renewal, of creation and cleansing. Without silence, the body never speaks. Without emptiness, healing never begins. Modern science now confirms what the ancient yogis, Taoists, and monks practiced long ago. When the body enters a natural state of fasting, a hidden intelligence awakens. One that begins to recycle dead cells, remove toxins, and repair DNA itself. Dr. Yoshinori Ohsumi, through decades of research, proved that this cellular renewal mechanism, autophagy, is the foundation of longevity, clarity, and resilience. But this is not just biology. In every temple across India, every monastery across the Himalayas, fasting was never about food. It was about discipline, purification, and remembrance. Because when the body empties, the soul begins to sing. Think of your body as a vast city. Each cell is a house filled with workers and machines. When you eat constantly, the garbage trucks stop moving, the streets get clogged, the air turns toxic. Autophagy is the moment when the city awakens its cleaning crews. Old parts are recycled, broken proteins are melted down, and your body becomes lighter, brighter, more intelligent. Fasting for 18 hours triggers this divine maintenance mode. Growth hormone rises, insulin drops. Your brain begins producing BDNF, a molecule that grows new neurons. The vagus nerve activates, creating calm and focus. This is not starvation. It is a sacred reset, a cellular prayer whispered through silence. Here is the 18/6 Autophagy Protocol, a powerful convergence of ancient wisdom and modern science. Step 1. Define the windows, the 18/6. The protocol is precise: 18 hours of silence, 6 hours of nourishment. For example, you fast from 8 p.m. tonight until 2 p.m. tomorrow. You feast in the 6-hour window, from 2 p.m. to 8 p.m. Find the 6-hour window that fits your life. Step 2. Define the sacred silence, the rules. During the 18-hour fast, you consume 0 calories. This is the sacred silence we are creating. Water, herbal tea, and black coffee, no sugar, no milk, are permitted. Anything else, a splash of milk, a drop of honey, will break the silence and stop autophagy. This precision is the key. Step 3. Begin with awareness, the tapas. But do not force it. As the yogis teach, tapas must be built. Start where you are. For the first week, fast for 12 hours, then 14, then 16, until 18 hours of silence feels like peace, not punishment. Step 4. Enhance with stillness, the yoga mystic touch. During the fast, honor the silence. Practice slow breath work, like the 4-7-8 breath. Reduce excessive stimulation, screens, noise, chaos. Let your body listen to its own song. Step 5. Break the fast gracefully. Begin your 6-hour window with light fruits, broth, or healthy fats. Your cells are newborn. Feed them with intention. After 3 days, your body will begin shifting. You will feel energy moving differently, calmer, clearer, cleaner. After 3 weeks, inflammation fades, sleep deepens, and that fog behind your eyes begins to lift. After 3 months, the change is undeniable. Your skin glows, your memory sharpens, and your awareness feels grounded, like the earth itself breathes through you. This is not magic. It is biology remembering its original design. So, take this as an invitation. Begin today. Do not treat fasting as deprivation. See it as devotion, as a conversation between your cells and your spirit. Activate your 18-6 autophagy switch. Reclaim the rhythm of silence and nourishment, and you will discover what the ancients already knew, that, inside emptiness, life renews itself. If this message awakens something within you, join our circle of seekers. Subscribe to Mystic Steps and continue the journey inward, where science meets spirit and silence reveals its own light.